Welcome to our channel. Today we how to reduce user frustration with PayPal, quick tutorial step by step clearly. To reduce user frustration with PayPal, it's essential to understand common pain points. First, ensure your PayPal account is fully verified. This includes linking your bank account or credit card. Next, provide clear instructions on how to set up payments. Use straightforward language to guide users through the process. Make sure users know the different payment options available to them. Encourage the use of PayPal's mobile app for easier transactions. Highlight safety features, reassuring users of their financial security. Create a simple FAQ section to address recurring issues. Use visuals to show users how to navigate the PayPal interface. If errors occur, guide users on how to resolve them promptly. Explain the process for disputing transactions in a user-friendly manner. Keep communication channels open for customer support. Promote the use of PayPal's Resolution Center for addressing problems. Suggest regular updates to the PayPal app for optimal performance. Finally, gather user feedback to improve future experiences. By following these steps, you can significantly lessen user frustration with PayPal. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.